Hey guys, finally it's here. The Batman Arkham Knight, Yuan Yi Culture and Himokshan collaboration. This is going to be an official licensed product from Warner Brothers. I did a preview of this for almost a year ago, and now here it is, an actual color footage of an actual product. This is a full model kit that could actually rival a Figma action figure. The only complaint that I have on this model kit is it lacks the figure of an actual Bruce Wayne face. And I am hoping that they will include an actual cape for it to complete the actual set. But for now, let's enjoy some of the official photos released by the manufacturer. And I can sense that the photographer is really enjoying his or her job because of the tons of photos posted on the social media to promote this model kit. This will have a release date around March or April of 2026, and the price is yet to be determined. But wait, there's more. This model will have a switchable parts that could transform the actual model kit into Red Hood. By replacing the included parts, the figure can be switched to the Arkham Knight's true identity from the game Red Hood, which is Jason Todd. Two variant of Red Hood is included, greatly expanding customization options to suit builder preferences. This will include head lighting with multiple interchangeable masks. The head features built-in lighting with both blue and red light units. Red Hood will have 3 interchangeable masks. The set includes the Arkham Knight signature pair of modified pistols. Each pistol has its own independent transformation mode, of which can also combine into a complete sniper rifle form, a combination feature appearing exclusively for this model kit. In addition to the Arkham Knight's commonly used in-game grapnel launcher and smoke grenades, the set also includes Red Hood's melee weapons, such as various knives and daggers, accurately recreating a wide range of display and action options. Thank you for reaching this far. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.